Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome to online class. In this class, we see about the third standard maths. Okay, term 3. In this class, we recall the units, geometry, numbers, patterns and measurements. Okay, shall we go to the class, ma? First, I start with unit 1. Look at here, ma, they are giving the many shapes. Now we want to find out in this shapes having a straight line or curved line or both straight and curved line. Okay, va? Look at the shapes, ma. These shapes all the one having only what? Straight line, isn't it? No. These four shapes having a only straight line. And here see, the only one shapes having a curved line. That is what? Round. Round is having only a curved line. But in this shape, see, straight line, curved line. Straight line, curved line. Straight line, curved line. Here also straight and curved. Straight and curved line. Okay, va? Okay, next one. This is a key point, ma. Okay. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal mean which shapes? Very good. Rectangle only having opposite sides are equal. Okay, there are no sides, no corner means circle. Circle having no sides, no corner. Rectangular means only opposite sides are equal. Okay, va? Next, third one, sides may or may not be equal. That is what? Triangle. Sometimes it may be equal, but sometimes it not be equal. Okay, va? Next, all the four sides are equal means what? Square. Square have four sides and the four sides are what? Equal. Okay, va? This is a 1 mark. Okay, va? Okay, now we are going to revise the 2D and 3D shapes. Okay, va? First, how many 2D shapes having, ma? That is square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Isn't it? No? Okay. You already know very well. This is a square. The square having four sides. Okay. And four corner. Okay. For example, in your exam, draw and define 2D shapes. That like asking means you first write the name and draw the shapes. Then after write the 4 points. Okay, ma? Don't forget to draw the shapes, ma. First square having 4 sides, 4 corner and how many diagonals? 2 diagonals, isn't it? No. Okay. And that 4 sides are equal. Okay, ma? Square means 4 sides, 4 corner, 2 diagonals. All 4 sides are equal. That's all. Okay, va? Next, rectangle. Rectangle means the same like that, ma. 4 sides and 4 corner and same like the 2 diagonals. Okay, va? What does mean by diagonals, ma? Diagonals means nothing, just the line joining opposite corner of the square is called diagonals. Okay, va? Just we join the opposite corner. That is called what? Diagonals. Okay. Okay, in rectangle also what? 2 diagonals. Isn't it? No. This is one, 2 diagonals. But in rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. Okay, suppose they are asking, draw and define 2D shapes, rectangle. That like the question is asking means, you first write rectangle and below draw the rectangle shapes and write the 4 points. Okay, va? Next, the third question is circle. Draw the circle first and write the points. We already know that circle has no side, no corner. If there is a no side, no corner means there is a no chance to put the diagonals. Isn't it? No. So, there is no sides, no corner, no diagonals for circle. Understood? Just 3 points only. Okay, mama. Next, the fourth one is triangle. If they are asking triangle question means first draw the triangle. Okay. And then write the triangle spelling. And then 4 points. For triangle, how many sides? 3 sides, 3 corners. Is there any opposite sides, ma? No. Is there no possible? So, no diagonals. In triangle, sides may or may not be equal. Sometimes it may be equal, ma, but sometimes not be equal. Okay, ma? What are the 4 points? No side, sorry, 3 sides, 3 corners, no diagonals, sides may or may not be equal. These are the what? 2D shapes. Okay, first thorough this 4 shapes ma. Okay. You already learned in a previous class. Just I recall this 4 shapes. Okay va? Next we are going to revise the 3D shapes. Draw and define 3D shapes. Okay va? First one is, what are the 3D shapes? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Isn't it no? Okay. The first one is cube. Suppose they are asking draw and define 3D shapes. Cube. That like the question is asking means first draw the cube and write the cube spelling and the 4 steps. What are the 4 steps? Okay, this is in page number, in your textbook, page number 4 ma. Okay, if you have any doubt, refer this. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices and 16 diagonals. Okay ma'am. This is for cube. Okay, same like that, cube and cuboid having the same points only. That is 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices, 16 diagonals. Okay ma'am. Suppose they are asking cuboid means write the cuboid spelling and draw the cuboid and write the 4 points. Okay. The third one is cylinder. Draw the cylinder first. Then the cylinder has how many faces? 2 faces, no edges, no vertices, no diagonals. Okay. The next one is cone. First draw the cone ma. The cone has only 1 face, 1 edges, no vertices, no diagonals. Understood? The next one is sphere. Draw the sphere. Okay. The sphere has 1 face, no edges, no vertices, no diagonals. Okay, Vama. A tangram means Chinese puzzle. It is made up of square divided into how many pieces? 7 pieces. Okay, this is a Chinese puzzle divided into 7 pieces made up of square. This is a 1 mark. Okay. The next one is, okay, we'll complete the shapes with filling the tiles. Okay. Here giving some tiles ma, but right side is incomplete. Now we want to fill the shapes. Okay, well first look at the first box. Down, down line, up, down, next what? Up, down, okay, next up, down, up. Okay va? We fill it, then after we want to give the color. Okay. What is this? Red, rose, sorry, red, pink, red, pink, red, pink. Pink. Then after what? Okay va? For this pink ma, V shape we want to give the pink color and the triangle shapes we want to give the red color. For this pink color, for this red color, pink, red color. Okay, wow, same like that. This triangle and all want to give the red color. Okay, wow, for this red. Okay, wow. And the V shapes for pink. Okay, same like that we want to give the color. Next, for the second question, there itself filling ma, just we want to give the color. First, orange inside pink. Next, pink outside pink, inside orange. Next, orange, pink. Okay, wow. That's all simple. The first lesson is over ma. Now we are going to, we already revised the 1 marks. So I directly go to the question answer. Okay, wow. Rangamma has 40 lemons. Okay, wow. Total 40 lemons having. Now we want to arrange in each group for 5. Okay, wow. In each group, how many lemons we want to arrange ma? 5 lemons. 5 lemon. Okay, wow. So 5 lemons we want to put the box. Okay, wow. Okay, one box is considered as a one group. Okay, wow. So how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 boxes are there. So how many groups? 8 groups. just we count the box and write the group. Okay va? Same like that here ma. Total Rangama has 36 coconuts. Okay va? Total number of coconut is 36. Now we want to form the group. In each and every group having how many coconuts? 4 coconuts. So we count the 4 and put the box. Okay va? We want to separate the coconuts 4-4ly. Okay va? Now we want to find out the number of groups. First count the how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 groups are there. So write the answer 9 groups. Okay va? This is also one question. First read the question ma. Okay. Now Rangama has 48 gooseberries. How many gooseberries ma? 48. So total number of fruit is 48. Now we want to arrange the group. In each group having how many? 6 each. So we count the 6 fruit and put 1 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 box. Next same like that, count the 6 and put 1 box. Finally, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 boxes. So how many groups now? 8 groups. Okay. Next exercise. Same like that we want to do the exercise here. Divide. This is called a division ma. Okay. Because now we divide the fruits equally. Equally we form the groups. We already know that equal grouping is also known as a what? Division. Okay va? So divide. Divide means what? Equal grouping. So we divide 8 groups into, so totally 8 groups, 8 balls having ma. We want to form the group of 2 each. So we count the 2 balls and put form one group. Okay va? So this is one group. 1, 2. This is one group. We only put the circle. Okay va? First form the group ma. Okay. This is one first step. The second step is we want to find out the answer. How many groups are there? So 8 means total number of balls. 2 means in one group how many balls? 2 balls. So put the 2. Okay. Now finally how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are, so 4 is the answer. Understood? First form the group and count and write the number of groups. Okay va? Next, this is the way of asking the question ma. First read the question carefully. Divide 15 orange. Now how many oranges are there? 15 orange into the group 3 each. Now we want to count the 3 and form one group. Okay va? So count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We circle it. Now count the groups ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the answer. Same like that for this question. Totally 20 cups. We want to form the group for 5 each. Okay va? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is one group. This 5 is another group. Okay va? Now how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the answer. That's all. Okay va? Understood amma? Now we already know very well. Multiplication and division are what operation? Reverse operation. This is also 1 mark. Okay va? Next division fact. Now we want to create the division fact for the multiplication table. Okay va? Here giving the multiplication table. This is a type of question. Now we want to find the division fact for this table. Okay. First we want to write the product for both division fact. Okay va? That is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay. In a multiplication, the last number is called what? Product. The first number is called multiplier. The second number is called multiplicand. The last number is called product. Okay va? First 3, First write the product. 3 division. So put the division symbol. Then 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. Write another number. Okay, 3 divided by 3. We divide this 3 number means we get the another number. Okay, this is one division fact. The another division fact is first write the product 3. Okay, first write the product 3, put the division symbol. Then 3 divided by 1, we get the another number 3. 3 divided by 1 equal to 3. Okay, just we exchange the last two numbers, that's all. Same like that, first write the product 6 divided by 3. Okay, 6 divided by 3 equal to, what is the another number? 2. 2 is the answer. Okay, same like that. First write the product 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Okay, Vama. Now, same like that. First write the product 9. Put the division symbol. 9 divided by 3 equal to, what is the next another number? 3. Okay, because the multiplicand and the multiplier having the same number, so the another division factor also same. Okay, 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. Okay, next same like the 12 divided by 3 equal to another number 4. Next 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Same like that for all the line. Okay, 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Next 15 divided by, okay, 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. We using the same procedure for all the line. Okay, finally you check it, ma. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3 correctly coming as see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correctly coming. The last number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next the 1, 2, 3 come in between. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correctly coming. Okay, don't confuse this two, ma. Okay, after finishing this, you just checking the number. 3 evenly correctly coming. So here also 3 evenly correctly coming. Okay, that's all. Same like that for all the multiplication table. Okay. Next, find the quotient. Find the quotient means nothing, just we want to write the tables. Okay, the second number is considered as a table. Okay, that is 12 divided by 4 equal to dash. Now we want to find the quotient. In division, the last number is called quotient. Okay, in multiplication, the last number is called what? Product. Okay, so the second number is considered as a table. Okay, now what is the second number? Fourth table. So 4 also fourth table. Now we say the fourth table up to the 12 is come. Okay, 1 4 is 4, 2 4 are 8, 3 4 are 12. 12 come it, so stop it. How in fourth table, how many times the 12 will become? 3 times. So 3 is the answer. Okay, 3, 4 3s are 12. Okay, isn't it? No. So 3 is the answer. Now 25 divided by 5. Now we use the fifth table. Okay, in fifth table 25 come how many times? 5 5s are 25. So how many times? 5 times. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Same like that. Fourth table. Say the fourth table. 1 4 is 4, 2 4 are 8, 3 4 are 12, 4 4 are 16, 5 4 are 20. 5 4s are 20, isn't it? No. In fourth table, how many times the 20 will become? Very good, 5 times. 4 5s are 20. This is the way to find the quotient. Okay, this is also one important question. Okay, that's all, ma. Up to this, the second unit is over. Now we are going to revise the third unit. Okay, Rangoli is created by, the third unit is pattern. Okay, mama. First the Rangoli, the next one is Pulli column. Okay, the Rangoli is created by growing pattern. This is also 1 mark. Okay, Rangoli is created by dash pattern, growing pattern. And that Pulli column is created by drawing dash and dash line, straight and curved line. Okay, well, this is a 1 marks. Now this is a question, Sama. Question answers. Make the pattern of your own. Now we want to create the pattern for this shapes. Using the shapes we want to draw the rangoli. The first question is triangle and circle. We only draw the what shape? Triangle and circle. Okay, va? The triangle means this is one triangle, this is one triangle. Circle means outside you draw the circle. Okay, va? This is a rangoli column, isn't it? No. So in this rangoli we are using the triangle and circle. Square means first put one square. Okay, inside another one square. Okay, va? Then outside draw the triangle. Triangle. Okay, va? Then inside another one triangle. Okay, this like inside another one square. As you wish, you draw any rangoli column, but on this rangoli column you only draw square and triangle. Okay, wow, this is a one question. The another one is, yes, important ma, addition fact. Okay, addition fact. Addition fact means we want to add the two number. Addition fact of 10 means we want to add the two numbers. The two numbers we add means we get the number 10. Okay, well, addition fact of 0 means 0 plus 0 is only one way to get the 0. Isn't it? No. Addition fact of 1 means 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. The two ways. Addition fact of 2 means first write 0, 1, 2. Okay, then say the number 0 after up to the number 2 comes. 1, 2. How many fingers are there? 2. So 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Now here 1 having a 1 after say the number up to the number 2. 2. How many fingers are there? Only one finger. So 1. Right there, put number 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Same like that procedure for all. Now for example, addition factor of 12 means, so 12 so addition factor of 12 so the last number is 2, so write the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First write the first numbers. Okay, wow. Addition factor of 10 means the last number 0, so the fact is starting with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 means addition factor of 11, so starting from 1. Addition factor of 12 means starting with 2. 13 means start from 3. 14 means 4. 15 means 5. Like that way. Okay, ma'am. The second number, how we can find the second number means this process is same for all. Okay, say the number 2 after up to the number 12 comes. Okay, ma'am. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers are there now? Very good. 10. So 10 is the answer. 2 plus 10 equal to 12. Same like that for all. For example, 3. 3 after say the number up to the number 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now how many numbers ma? How many fingers ma? 9. So 9 is the answer. Same like that for all. Okay, va?